Extreme Family Man here. So I'm back on this Yerf-Dog. I just got a bunch of new parts in from Go Power Sports. All new shocks. Look at them, guys. And I'm replacing the shocks in the back. Seat will be on the way. I'm replacing the shocks right now. These are 12-inch from eye hole to eye hole, front and rear shocks. I went their standard instead of the heavy duty. For my girls. It's just for my girls, but yeah, so this one specifically requires, bear with me here a second, guys. Find a spot to set you so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. So this one I have to put the wrench behind here. And like I said, these are all 9/16, so I don't know if you can see that on that ratchet. And I'm replacing these with new hardware too because they're just old, worn out. In my mind, it's time to replace them. I'm just not sure if I think I'm going to have to take off the back tires to get these in, unless I cut them. But then I'm still going to have a problem coming in from the other end. Let's go take a look at what I bought. Aside from the new shocks right here from Go Power Sports. Thank you guys over there. But I said I ordered a bunch of parts. I got more coming still. Yeah, there's the Murray. The new rears on it. So I got a new set of fronts to match the rears. Call them cleated. They're gonna go on there. Man, that's gonna give it some height stature. Look at the height difference. But yeah, those are gonna go on there. I got two 5-foot long 420 chains. The driven from them for this Murray. That red spring in there. See if I can get it. See that red spring in there? Yes, sir. For the Murray. And then I also got a new throttle cable because it's this funky. Where is it? It's this funky cable. It's got this hold eye end. And we're going to have to cut you off. Actually, I bent this one last time. Folded the wire over, slipped it through. It was able to work. That. And then I got a whole new clutch assembly in this box I haven't opened from them. Along with some new cool stickers. Let's see what we got here. GPS Racing. And Power Sport stickers, and we'll put them on. Yeah, I've been doing a lot. I got my welder out here, boxed it over, just covered it up, and my compressor's out here and everything. I've been doing a lot of projects up front. But yeah, we'll get new tires on here, and then I'm waiting on the new seat for the Yerf-Dog still. And then I got to make a seat out of probably this fabric here for this guy. And we'll be shaking on it. So, alright guys, I just wanted to give you an update. I know it wasn't a long video. But, yeah, let me see if I can start this guy up. Well, I got you on camera. Choke on, fuel on, fuel on. See if I can get him to fire up. So what I need, since I'm holding phone, stick. There we go. Hold that in the throttle. Yeah. When I change that pulley in the belt, I get connection. Like I said, I have to move this motor back because right now I have to give it so much throttle to get this belt to engage. So I got to move the motor back, and then we'll have more there, guys. She was trying to take off that time. There she is. We'll just turn that off. Hit the choke. We'll choke herself out. Or not. I don't have a kill switch on it. So what I've been doing is flushing the idle up and she's been dying. But she don't want to die now. Well, maybe that carburetor's cleaning up. Plus, but she's off. She'll run herself out of gas. She's off. So, alright. There's the Murray running. Runs good. Quick too. There she goes. She ran herself out of gas. Yeah, so, alright guys. I got some more videos coming up. Like I said, I got the clutch, the CVTs in for these things. So now we're going to really do some stuff this weekend. And we will be able to post some videos. I'm going to get out, see if I can delete my GoPro and get it out and record some stuff. So, alright. So I'll see you guys this weekend.